And welcome back, YouTube. Now today I'm just going to show you the drone that we're going to be using when we're out camping. And this is the DJI, and it's the Mini 4. It's the Mini 4 Pro. It's very well packed. We got this one with the box, but we've got a couple of extra batteries. We've got 3 batteries to keep it up in the sky longer. You know, like, so we can have more fun with it. But well, you all know what it looks like. It comes with a bodyguard type thing, and you just take that off. You just unclip that from the side there, from that little clip, right on the side there. It's a little clip there. You just unclip that, and it unfolds. Nothing really to it. There's where the battery goes in the back. It's quite a big battery. Well, I'd say so anyway. But this is my first proper drone that we've actually managed to get. And yeah, we paid for this with our own money, so it's not part of a promotions deal. Anyway, I've took some video footage already, which I'm going to show you. One is of day view, so during the day, so you can see what it's like and how it responds. And the other video is like as it's starting to get dark, you know, nightfall, to show you how well it handles the failing light, you know. And yeah. So before we go any further, if you've just joined, please subscribe to the channel down below, subscribe, and give it a like and leave us some messages, and yeah, you can follow on. We're starting to get the equipment we need together now to go and do better things, so yeah, stick with us. It should be good. Anyway, here's the daytime view, and yeah, I hope you like it. Here comes the daytime view. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the dogs taking the wife for a walk. We just thought we'd show you a during the day shot so you can see how it performs. It's really pretty good. I mean, like, it's good stabilization. There's no blurring or nothing I can see. The camera is very good. The responsiveness of the drone is as to be expected on a higher end drone. And yeah, sorry about the cough. It's doing really well. And there's the dogs pulling the wife along. They shouldn't really be doing that, but she has been trying to train them for pulling a scooter. But I think, yeah, with me standing at the other end, egging them on as well, they're kind of pulling a little bit more harder. So, yeah, the dogs are, there they go. That's them just noticed that I'm there. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that this is the during the day shot of how easy this thing is to fly. I mean, I don't know nothing about drones, but this one seems to be good. It's the only proper drone I've ever bought, and yes, it has been bought. It's not been given to us by the company, but so far, yeah, very happy with it. And yeah, this is the one we'll be using when we're out there camping and stuff. So yeah, next thing I'm going to show you is the nighttime shot. That way you know what it acts like at nighttime. It's pretty cool. We've done it from just as it's starting to get dark to when it's dark, and you'll see the difference. It's really good. Okay guys, here comes the nighttime shot now. Okay guys, this is the nighttime shot now, and the wife just decided to take the bicycle out for a quick cycle so we can get the drone to follow it and stuff. But even at nighttime, as it's just starting to come into nighttime, that dusk, you know, usually cameras kind of have a hard trouble with the failing light. There's a waving to us. But yeah, this one does a perfectly good job of keeping in focus and stuff. I don't think you could get much better than that, unless you want to start using filters and stuff with it. But yep, that's it's very well done. You can see the car lights are on there and stuff. The street lights are all on. And as she gets to the top, it starts to get really darker, a lot darker, and the camera still sticks with it. No blurring around the edges, maybe a little tiny bit, but yeah, nothing that would spoil the view. You know, nothing that would spoil your actual shot. So yeah, I'm very impressed with this camera, and yeah, I think it's absolutely fantastic. Like I said before, this has been bought. It's not part of their company. But what more can you say about it? You know, it does its job. It does what it says on the tin, and it's a very, very good camera on that. Well, I think so. Maybe you photographers out there think differently, but yeah, to me it's spot on for my use. What I need it for. Okay, and that's the end of this shot here. I'll just show you the darkness as she comes to the end. I'll show you the darkness of the roundabout area and stuff. But come in, that's very good indeed. I mean, even the shop's all lit up, shows you how it's coming right into darkness now. And there we go, perfect. Okay guys, that's the nighttime shot. Well, as you've seen with the daytime and the nighttime views, the drone is very well put together. I really like the controls as well. It's small, but it's quite heavy. You know, it's quite a weight to it. We don't have the screen yet for it. We just use our phone, and all you do is just pull that bit there out. Yeah, phone goes on the end. It's not really that hard, but yep. That's what we've been doing anyway, and yeah, thank you for coming along to see this. Oh, my finger was in the way there, sorry guys, but thank you for coming along and checking it out. We're very excited to get to use our new equipment. Even the camera I've got is the same as the DJI, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, I've got it setting on this now as a 4K setting, so yeah, managed to figure out some of the buttons. Okay guys, catch you next time, and remember, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.